In another 2 months, automobile traffic may well be moving here on Elm Street, where there's nothing right now but a cave-in. Engineers for the Henry C. Beck Company say if utility men work fast enough, the street could well be open by July 15th, certainly by August 15th. They do not contemplate opening the street to partial traffic. They say when it's open, Elm Street will be opened all the way. As for the building, One Main Place itself, completion is scheduled for sometime in the fall of 1968. The first occupant is supposed to move in perhaps this time next year. Construction crews are now topping off the 24th floor of the 34-floor building. This is Phil Reynolds, Channel 8 News.